I'm here with a Mercedes Metris Campervan that we just fully decked out, and I'm going to run you through some of the features. We're in the kitchen area here, and you got two of these big drawers on 500-pound slides, one of which has the Dometic refrigerator. The other one has some of the kitchen features, work spaces like this table that folds up. Got a butcher block here and a lot of storage underneath. 4 gallons of water here on an electric pump. And space for a Coleman stove as well. Moving on into the living room, we put a swivel seat in the van on the passenger side. We've got a futon bench here, so 2 people, 3 people could sit in here and hang out, have a meal. This table folds up and gives space for people to use it. Under the sink, 4 gallons of fresh water, 4 gallons for gray water. Got your electric pump here as well. Stainless steel sink. One of the features of this van that I really liked is just all the storage space on the driver's side. 6 separate cabinets of different sizes, and there's also a lot of storage underneath this futon here for temporary things. Over here to the right of the futon, we've got some other smaller storage compartments. This one here would allow you to put longer things all the way through, and they'd be secure while you're driving. Behind this curtain is the electrical power system. It's a Jackery 1500, and that is powering 4 LED lights in the ceiling, the max air fan, and these USB outlets that we have in several places around the van. So I'll show you how this futon turns into a bed. It's pretty simple. You just pull up on this, let the back fall into place, pull a cushion across, and you've got your bed. Take a look upstairs on the roof, and I'll show you what's going on up there. We've got 175 watts of solar, got a max air fan, and a Yakima Slim Shady awning.